Hi, this is Kevin Cook, the heavy equipment guy here at Star Tractor. Got one of our beautiful John Deere 700Ks out here on rent. Getting ready to shape some pad sites here. As you can see right there. This Jim is a beautiful machine. Pat blade, 6-way blade, whatever you want to say. Rear ripper, 3 shanks on the back. Beautiful machine. Again, if you're looking to buy or rent something like this, give me a call at 817-733-3799. This baby's, like I said, it's about to get kicked off here. Do some pad site work. Give me a call at 817-733-3799. That's my mobile. And here's my office number. Thank you, and God bless.